books. Actually, I'm not so sure, is it real morning now? So welcome to another day in December. It's not gonna be exactly like vlogmas like every single day because I just don't have the technical time to film, to edit, to upload everything. So now I'm in my boy's bedroom and I just mentioned, can you see those irritations in my skin? And I think that this is a result of yesterday's face mask from the Body Shop that I did. I'm not so sure, but before applying this mask I didn't have this in my face. I don't like it, but okay, it is what it is. So yeah, now I'm gonna try to manage with all this mess because you don't even want to take a look. What is the situation here? Look at it, guys. It is just a ridiculous mess, like everywhere, and I want to put in order and I want everything to look like a normal room. I know that the size of my boy's bedroom is like literally ridiculous. This could be a closet to someone, even it could be smaller for closet, but this is his bedroom and it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you what I'll try to do, and I really hope that I'll be able to do it before I give up. So this is like the current situation, like everywhere around me. And believe me or not, but it's stressful. And I want to try to get rid of all those books, or in particular the books that we are not using anymore, or something like this. So I'm gonna try to clean those shelves to check the books. If we don't need anyone, I'm just gonna separate them. And yeah, to clean this mess here underneath the desk, like to sort it out somehow, and to clean the desk as well, because now it's not a desk, it's just a storage. But actually the decoration that I just did in his room with my husband's tool, I don't know what is the name of this tool, no idea, but I just like, I don't know, like stapler, but not stapler of course. So yeah, I just did this decoration and it's bringing me joy. So this is what is motivating me to continue with the mess. Baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailors, it's just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. My tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. look what my boy's trying to do, or gonna be doing. He's trying to empty this basket of toys, and I really hope to get rid of everything unnecessary. As you can see, there are lots of small toys, probably lots of toys that he doesn't have an idea that they are still there. Probably lots of rubbish as well, and obviously I will need to clean the floor. When we finish here.
And I can hide in my box now.
Yeah, and he said that he could hide, but I actually forgot to buy another one, like storage box like this yesterday. Hello, mommy. And I have prepared this huge TK Maxx bag,
It's a trash bag.
and I really hope that we'll be able to clean some of this. And at the same time, I'm gonna leave him to do the cleaning here, and at the same time I will go downstairs to do the laundry and to do some stuff that I have started to do.
What is this trash?
This is definitely rubbish.
Mm.
Yeah, this is going in... I don't know. This...
I found the car.
I found another bag.
I found the next car.
Okay. And look, like we are keeping like an empty packs. We are
This is
keeping
from
like...
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Have a nice time.
We are two wanderers at dawn of the world full of war. Early sunrise, I gave promise. You said always, and we run and dance. I'm following, I'm preaching, you're my church. I'm yin and yang yang, you're my E, I'm your F. And no one is right, or this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes, you said always, and we run and dance. Sunset, you said yes, I said always, and we run and dance. I'm a water, you're a wave, I'm a player, you're my prize, I'm a ghost, you're a house, you're my body, I'm your glide, and no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind, feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance.
A little bit an update, guys. This is about an hour later. All the toys that we need are here in this rubbish storage. I need to buy another one, but okay, for now this is just working. The floor looks like this. Obviously I need to vacuum it, and I got just those shoes that I need to put them somewhere, but I still don't know where. And I got another one back from Boots here where I got some of my presents. I'm just keeping them here. So yeah, I think that I finished with this room. But now, let me show you the other disaster. I'm moving to the other room, and this is the situation that I'm still trying to manage with. This is my boy's shelf. It started looking quite okay. I fit those books here, and maybe I'm gonna put all those books in this bag, and I'm gonna put them in a storage or in the attic or somewhere, I don't know. Then I need to sort out this mess. Wish me a good luck, and let's start it.
There is nothing like feeling young and free. Gonna leave it all behind, all behind. Time goes by so fast. Time goes by so fast. There is nothing like feeling young and free. Gonna leave it all behind. There is nothing like feeling young and free. Gonna leave it all behind, all behind. Time goes by so fast. Time goes by so fast. There is nothing like feeling young and free. Gonna leave it all behind, behind.
I am ready with the floor. I'm super tired. I bought this rug yesterday from IKEA. Yeah, obviously fox fur, but it's super nice, it's super soft, and it just refresh the carpet here and actually the whole look. Thank you so much for watching, angels. This is gonna be everything from today's video, vlog, cleaning, marathon, whatever it was. Thanks so much for joining me. I feel kind of exhausted. Because of this, I'm gonna take a sit for a little bit. Then I have to do the rest of the laundry to see what is dry from the previous washing machine and to put the new washings to get dry on the radiators. And then I have to do some homework with my boy and some reading. And yeah, thanks so much for watching once again, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!